Okay, first trick. Getting ball in the finger. Nice.
Okay. The trick is focus on the camera.
Okay.
All right, don't look at the ball because you
Okay.
get like. And that's what happened.
It is what happened.
Yeah. So focus on the camera.
Okay. What do I do?
See?
I don't know. I'm looking at the camera.
Okay.
She's doing it.
Boom, boom, boom.
She's
boom,
doing
boom.
it. Nice.
Why you shrinking?
Well, because it
It's not that heavy.
went that way. It went that way. I had to follow it.
Well done, Jen.
That was a good job.
Thanks.
You just gotta stay strong and focus to the camera, like.
Oh, see, I don't got that.
That's awesome.
Because that's what you did. You go like, oh, hey. It's like when Mario Brothers and touch like one of the little bag. It's just like that.
That's true.